wanna hurt your feelings. Why you gotta be so fragile? We politicking and you get offended and I look like an asshole. Don't be
stuck in that other hole over there. I didn't know if I'd come back out of it. I thought y'all got to come in. Tire shine comparison. What makes a four-wheeler look the best? So at the beginning of this test, I thought there would be a clear winner. Halfway through the test, I got to looking and I said, well, they all look pretty good. They're all gonna work. I was thinking this video was just gonna be trashed, and then come to find out, there's a big difference. In my opinion, the son of a gun did the worst.
Is it recording yet?
It's recording. Then we get a water wheelie.
No. No. You took my left finger.
Oh. What is your finger doing there?
I was holding on. Oh no, it fell off.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that was cool. That was a cool one. What is it? No. I made a little one, like a little bump one, like everybody can do. It's cool.
That was a good one.
Uh-huh. Wait a minute.
What are you doing, riding wheelies?
Uh-huh.
You are? Who gave you permission? Alright, well, I didn't tell you that. Don't get me in trouble.
You. Dusty! My
That feel
glasses
better?
are kind of crooked, but it's fine. A little beach. How deep does this go?
We can go down a pretty good ways.